East like that.
Shit, he got a hung stung. Go help him. I copy. I cover you. We went to the barbed wire. 2 men through. I'm still at the drawbridge. Do you copy? Hold on right now. Hold on for this one moment. Let us advance to the shop first. Copy that. Take positions. Am I clear? I have contact.
They're out.
2 guys are...
No. There's just 3 guys who got it. All that's left is ice and hit all.
What does it say?
Because they don't have lives, right?
I don't know.
They don't got lives.
There should be revived. What does the note say?
Hey, Ralph. We got that from that big ceiling. Hey.
What does the note say?
I left the extension cord at the boatyard since the generator is down.
Huh? What?
He left the extension cord at the boatyard.
Okay, copy that. Hold on.
Can you take it?
Okay, we at the shed, but there's a little confusion right here. We're having visual contact to 4 bogies, but they're not defending themselves. When do they start defending themselves? They're standing right at 12 o'clock from your position. They're actually... Shut my mic. Okay, we're looking out of the boatyard, out of the shed. It's exactly 12 o'clock. So they standing around with no actions. Why do they not defending themselves? You copy?
They're out.
Oh, copy that. So we found a note. The note was saying the extension cord is on the other side of the boatyard. Do you copy? They're in the boatyard exactly like 50 or 80 yards away from me. The position where I shot you last time. They're standing around in no defensive position. You copy?
They're watching.
Hold on. Hey, do you see ice?
No.
He's not there?
No ice. He's still free. Everyone else we hit.
4 people?
There's 4 guys. I got 1.
It doesn't matter. How many people are there?
There's 4.
Okay.
No ice.
So that's the reason why they're not defending. We got to find the 5th person.
Yeah, they got to find them. Let's go back them up.
No, we can't. This is not the objective.
Objective is to take the potion. Can we just march them up there?
No. We got to wait until they're in a defensive position. We got to take all 5 out. What's the status? Spanky, come in. What's your status? You got... Okay. cause you respawn, don't you? Copy that. Go to this tree.
To that tree.
Yeah, but yeah. Take your time, take your time. You keep your eyes open. He's coming from there. He's coming from there. He's out.
Oh, I flushed him out.
Good job. Hey, what are you doing? Go back over there. Yeah, now we're having the boat, take the boat yard.
Right in the mouth.
The patrol is only out. Gotcha, gotcha.
Commander!
Join us. So how we go from here? How we go from here? They're out. Copy that. They're allowed to. They're allowed to go in defensive position now. Try to advance. They're back in business.
They're back in business?
Yeah, now they are.
Okay. Alright.
They're getting in defensive position.
Keep my hopper pulled up. See how I flushed them out for you, B? Huh? See how I flushed them out for you?
Yeah.
You got them?
I shot him, yeah.
Hey, you know what?
Stay right here.
Hey, you know that fucking kid was right there, didn't you see him?
Huh?
The kid, that one that was laying down there, he was nice, dug in there, but I got him right in the head after I saw his helmet move. Got him twice in the neck and one in the head, twice in the head.
Copy that. I see movement. I don't know what they're not defending yet. But did you give him a time frame for a break? They running around. They're not doing nothing. Okay, let's kill him. Stay right there.
After 12 o'clock. Got you another mouth, okay? You hear?
Hold on. Try to get this to this line, this tire line. Come on. Let's go advance. Here, right side. Tire line. Dig in. Go over it next. Okay, find my fucking button. Okay, we have him pinned down. Right now, no movement. Advance! I have my guys advancing. No visual contact for me right now. Do you see anything, buddy? It's in the center of the boatyard. We want to advance, but I don't want to run in the ambush. I see two guys. I see two guys. One behind the blue berry and one behind the tires. Look! Look! Maggie! It's right behind the tire, right there. Watch it. Get hit. Maggie! I was assisted by the birdhouse, right from the birdhouse. Bogey shoots from me at the birdhouse. Move up, take him out. I'm going to press the fire. 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock. Bogey at 1 o'clock. Move up here, move up to this.
Let me reload. I got the glass. Can I lay it down? We got Bam Bam till 11 o'clock.